Hi there, I'm Kevin, and I want to talk to you about this item I got, and it's really a double header. It solves you with a couple different problems. It's a circuit finder, so if I want to find out in my circuit breaker what breaker this is on without shutting everyone off in the house and doing a process of elimination, I can do it with this unit. But let me show you just by itself this unit here. If you plug this unit in, then you hit the on button. It'll tell you how many volts are coming through this, which is normally 115, 110 to 120, so 118 is good. It's also got a green light here, which tells me that it's wired absolutely 100% correctly. So that's good to know. Now, know that, and let me put you on pause for a second while I run out to the circuit breaker panel, and I'm going to show you what this does in conjunction with that. Okay, so here we are at the circuit panel. And what we're going to try to find is the one of these breakers that controls that outlet in there. So I'm going to hit on here. It's coming on. It's going through some testing of its own. Hear it beeping. As I put it up against the panel, you're going to see that it's got different lights. Those three lights are meaning, yeah, there's power there, but it's not the one we want. Getting close, getting close. Did you hear that? Look at how many lights and listen to it beep. That's where we're located. So we're gonna shut that off. We're gonna go back in the house. So here we are back in the house. There's no voltage coming to this at all. So we hit the correct breaker out there. Now if we needed to pull this out and do any work to it, change out the outlet or what we can do that safely without having to worry about electrocuting ourselves. By the way, when you're all done with it, there is a cool little travel case here, which helps when you're storing your tools. You don't need to worry about losing them or getting them damaged. Nice little place to hold everything. Zips all back up. Check it out. I think you'll like it.